Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? We are back and we're in the Dominican Republic. I have never been here. I've never been to a resort, but we are at a resort called Dreams Dominicus and it is so freaking beautiful. I am like blown away. I am doing like a brand collab work with a company called BeachBound. So my main focus right now is Instagram, but I did want to bring you guys along. This video is kind of going to be like an old-fashioned vlog, but I'll like, you know, drop in all the travel tips and tricks and things along the way. We have a lot of fun things planned. I'm here with my friend Faith. I met her on a brand trip to Mesa, Arizona. We're having a freaking blast already. I've only spent the day at the resort so far. I'm just so excited to be here and we're only here for like 4 or 5 days. It feels so good to be where it's not snowing. Let's see what else we can get into. Make sure you hit subscribe, I guess. Tell the world what you just did.
I just definitely broke the whole bottle of champagne all over the floor.
Told you were gonna get the behind the scenes, but she did manage to get me like half a mimosa here, which I'm not even gonna be upset about that. We got the whole pool set up, guys. Look at me vibing like I just casually eat breakfast like this every day. I would if I could. As you can tell from the title of this video, this isn't just a vlog from the Dominican Republic, but also a little dive into what my job is as a photographer and content creator, and a little insight into this specific job in the Dominican Republic. And to answer your first question, no, this is not part of the content that I agreed to make in my partnership with BeachBound. I just really like to vlog and figured this would be a fun way to show you guys some behind the scenes.
Run, Nikki, run. Da-na-na-na-na.
So, we were so graciously given this beautiful Bali, what is it called? Cabana thing for the day. And it was cloudy for probably 2 hours, and now it's really sunny and beautiful, and we just did a bunch of content shooting. Got weird. Gorgeous. Yeah, it really got
really weird.
Really, really weird. You'll see. But it was so much fun, and we get to be here pretty much all day. We've had probably a little too much champagne for our own good on this trip. Sometimes you just gotta live. You gotta live in the moment. It is what it is. We're planning our excursions for the next couple days, and you guys will not believe what we're about to do. I'm so excited. Basically, I would say there's no reason for you to not make this happen for yourself. That's just my opinion, honestly. YOLO. I know we're well past the YOLO phase of our lives, but we shouldn't be. Oh my god, the wind in those last clips was so bad, and I apologize, and one day we'll get better travel microphones, but for now, I apologize. Anyway, let's get back to the details of the job. So BeachBound reached out to me, and I agreed to post 2 reels, 1 photo post, and 3 stories per day for a 5-day trip to a resort in the Dominican Republic. You can check those out on Instagram if you're curious how they turned out, and if I do say so myself, they turned out pretty dang good. We are at a really, really beautiful dinner spot. The sun is setting behind us, and Faith is over there setting up a good old time lapse. It looks kind of silly right now, but this is such a gorgeous spot. I cannot believe it. I'm sorry. What is that?
It's my infection.
Look, it's not that the dinner wasn't filling, because it absolutely was. It's that we had a few too many drinks probably, and we got the munchies. So we ordered room service.
When room service is available, you get room service.
Yeah, like you just kind of have to take advantage. You know what I mean? So here we are, eating quesadilla and a burger at midnight.
I'm loving it.
Yes. These little fun moments you're seeing are the in-between moments where we aren't creating any content. Now the thing is, Faith and I could have come in with a list of requirements, busted out a few quick shots, and said, okay, bare minimum, that's it, now let's just party. But that's not how we work. We went above and beyond in a lot of ways, like booking an additional activity with our own money that supported the partnership, agreeing to a separate partnership outside of BeachBound, and making sure we had ample photos and videos for the partnership and ourselves to share additional valuable information with our audiences across all of our platforms. All I gotta say is an hour is not long enough here, but we are going to the beach, so I can't really complain. I literally don't remember where I left off. We've been shooting a lot of content. I'm kind of getting really tired now, but look how beautiful it is. I finally am taking time to just sit and relax. I don't want to leave. We have to leave in 30 minutes and I don't want to go. It is so perfect out here. 10 out of 10 recommend figuring out a way to get to Saona, I think that's how you say it, Island, because it is freaking gorgeous out here. It is so beautiful, and we got we opted for like a VIP package where the beach is a little bit more quiet and it's absolutely stunning. Starting. Our excursion was fabulous. Fabulous. And as you can see, we've showered. I don't think I've ever put a robe on in a hotel until this very moment, and I'm loving it. I don't know why I've never done it before, but more importantly, we were starving and they just brought us this food. All this Dominican food. I'm so excited. This right here is what's in here. So we're gonna try that. I'm so excited. And this looks like fried cheese again. Could be, could not be, but I love fried cheese. One of the questions you guys asked me on Instagram is how do you start something like this? And this being a photography business focused around travel with an online presence. I want to preface this with, it is not an easy job. Yes, it is fun, literally the best job I've ever had, but for a long time you wear a lot of hats. I'm still wearing all but the bookkeeping hat in my business, meaning I'm the face of my business, photographer, videographer, editor of everything, social media manager, creative director, customer service, etc. The list literally goes on and on. None of that is meant to deter you or scare you or tell you to go running for the hills away from this career. I'm just trying to give you as much information as I can prior to you potentially starting this journey, because it was something that I didn't know that much about. I knew the business side of it, I kind of knew what went into it, but when I actually dove headfirst into it, it was very overwhelming. Actually starting a business like this involves understanding your reasoning behind doing it. Why do you want to start this business? And then create around that. Even if what you want to do isn't based around photography, but you want to be a travel influencer, you still have to know why you want to do that and create around that why. I just finished my first ever scuba, and if you want to see what that was like, I am doing a series of 30 new things before I turn 30, and I was on it. So you're gonna have to go check out this video to see it. Really freaking stoked about the whole thing, but there was a little bit of panicking that happened. I thought I was gonna drown, but it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Go check it out. Living the dream.
Oh, tell me out.
Are you gonna do okays for the rest of your life now?
No good.
Scuba sign language.
Mostly my sign language was, what are you saying? What are you saying?
They did not pay attention to any of the sign language portion of the courses. We're underwater and she's literally like the instructor's like, breathe out, swim down, and she's floating to the top.
I had no idea. No, I literally had no idea. When she was like going like this, I was like, you want me to talk? Like, I had no idea.
Yeah, like talk underwater. By all means, take your mask out and just have a conversation.
I'm telling you, we were gonna float up. We were gonna float up because I had no idea and I needed to know.
I was dying. It was so funny. Now comes the fun stuff, baby. Let's talk perfectionism and being, quote, ready to start a business, take the leap into full-time traveling at all, hiking, or just sharing your life. There will never be a perfect moment for you to start any of these things. Your content does not have to be perfect. I learn every single day, and I have been a photographer for 10 years. Please feel free to scroll back on this channel and check out a few videos because, Lord, we have made a lot of progress and we made it quickly. But I am more proud than embarrassed because I can see the progress that I have made when I look back at them.
Hey, crushing our bucket list today, huh?
I know. Literally doing so many cool things.
We had an hour and we were conquering.
You guys, I don't want to leave. This is our last day. We literally leave in like a couple of hours, but we're out enjoying the beautiful sunshine and the beach and the water, and I'm getting ready to go get on a kayak. I am really happy I chose to do it today because yesterday it was storming and very windy. So we're going out today. I'm very excited to have this last morning just enjoying the water. I know that I only scraped the surface here, but I hope you guys found some of the things I talked about in this video helpful, or you feel like you now have a little bit of a peek into what I do behind the scenes, even if you're not interested in making this a career for yourself. But if you are, I hope the one thing that you heard is now is the perfect time. Shoot, even if you aren't looking for this, now is the perfect time for you to pursue anything that you've been thinking about. If you want to know more about my photography journey, leave your questions in the comments below and I'll make a dedicated video. I'm on a boat, I'm on a boat. Actually, you know what? I'm hot. I'm hot and on a boat. And not the fun kind of hot, like it's really hot outside hot. But look how beautiful. Love it. Well guys, I am at the airport. Is the end of another trip. Just said goodbye to Faith. It's always so sad. I don't know why it's always like, it just gets me. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you found it a little entertaining, maybe a little informative. In any way, shape, or form, if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you on the next adventure. Bye.